Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. This is going to be a fun one today. I have something super exciting in this package. I cannot wait to get into this. This just arrived a couple of days ago. Oh yes. Okay, here we go. It is the time for the big reveal. Look at this. This is going to be so fun. This is a new product by a company called CRIMPiT, and this here is the CRIMPiT, and it turns these little tortillas into amazing fun things that you can eat. All kinds of really great things that you can do with this product. So we have the large one here, and then I just want to pull out the right one. We've got the medium-sized one here. Oh yeah. And then we have the square one here that you would use with bread. Slices of bread. Oh, look at this. And check this out. I even got the book with all kinds of recipe ideas. Really, really nice. So let's get all of this like this. Look at that. Well, this is going to be super exciting. So let's start out with the large one here. This is really nice. Oh, they give you a lot of information here. And by the way, this is a product made in Britain. Let's open this up. Very nice packaging on this. Let's pull this out. Oh, that's nice. Little instruction guide. So that's nice to have. Little bit of the story behind the founder. Yep, very nice. And then they give you very nice instructions on how to use this neat little gadget. We'll close that up. So, CRIMPiT, there we go. Let me just hold that up. Very nicely made. CRIMPiT.com, made in England. So of course you open this up like this. And then what you do is you place your tortilla in here, fill with your ingredients, and then you flip it over and you crimp it down. I was really excited to try this product out because I have seen a number of videos on the internet showing this off in use, and I thought it looked like the first kind of little kitchen gadget that would really work well with tortillas. And when you open this up, you can see all of the teeth here. And these teeth are very defined, they're very deep, so they're really going to do a good job at locking those tortillas together. I'll just lift that up and hopefully you can see how nice those teeth are. They're super defined. Look at that. Really nicely made. I'm very impressed. And then let's open the smaller one like that. Oh, this is going to be so fun. This is like a perfect size. Look at this. And just as well made as this one. Really defined teeth on both sides, so you know you're going to get a really good seal on your food item. Look at that. Oh yeah, that is really nice. So right away I'm looking at this, you can see all kinds of possibilities. The first thing I'm thinking is some nice little apple pies in that. Or you could do mini pizzas. Oh, so many things that you can do with this amazing device. And then we've got the next one, the sandwich sealer. So let's get into this one here. This is going to be a fun one as well. And now that we have air fryers in our lives, this is the perfect time to be checking one of these devices out. This is nice. Oh, look at that. Oh, let me get that the right way. CRIMPiT. Look at that. So you get your piece of sandwich bread in there. You're going to get 2 slices. You're going to put your filling in, and then you're going to crimp this down. Yeah, gonna have some fun with these. Now you're probably wondering what this is. It's a piece of fabric, and this is actually oven safe. It's heat safe. And this here is called the CRIMPiT Cradle. And what this is for, by the way, this came in this box. So once you make your sandwich, since this is rather small, and if you want to use this in the toaster, just to make it much easier, so you'll remove your crimped sandwich from the little CRIMPiT, and then you'll put it in here, just like this, and then you're going to bring it up around like this, so it'll be in here, and you slide this whole thing into your toaster. Toast it up, and then you just pull it out of the toaster, and there you go. So this makes it much easier to remove that from your toaster. So a really neat idea. So I've got a little package of tortillas here, so I've brought one out, and I thought we would just make a little pizza, just a little snack pizza. So I'm going to take the tortilla, I'm going to load that in, just like that. And then we're going to add in some of my homemade pizza sauce. Just like that, I think that's perfect. And then a little bit of mozzarella. I'm going really simple today. Now you could load this up with a little bit of diced pepperoni, maybe a little bit of green pepper, which is my favorite. But this is the first time I'm using this, so I just want to go really simple. So I think that looks good. It's going to provide a lot of filling, I think. I think that's good, just like that. I don't want to overload it the first time. Now the instructions do suggest that you heat it up about 10 seconds before you crimp it. That just helps soften up the tortilla. Or they also suggest that you can take a little bit of water and just add it around like you typically do when you are making other things that you fold over and use a fork and crimp them. I'm just going to do this. Just get that around there very quickly. I'm going to do this in the air fryer. I'm going to put it on air fryer mode, and I think this is going to be really good. So I want to make sure that I've got everything covered here. Not too much, you just want to moisten up those edges. Okay, I think that's good. Move that out of the way. And then we're going to close this up. So you want to make sure that it's centered on the CRIMPiT, and then you just bring it down. And I think that looks good. And then I'm just going to get this on camera here, and now we're going to squeeze it together. Let's get a good crimp. Just going around making sure everything is nicely crimped. And then let's open this up. Oh, it looks good. It looks good. Look at that. That is nice. Now, you have the option, if you want to make this really look fancy, you can just cut that edge off. I've got a pair of scissors here. I'm just going to quickly just go around. Look at how easy this is. Just go around. Just like that. That looks really good. So there we go. There's our CRIMPiT. I'm going to go pop that in the air fryer, fry it up, and then I'll be back. Hey everybody, I am back. This smells really good, and I had really good success. Air fryer mode, I did this for 3 minutes. And let's just take a look at the bottom. I didn't look at the bottom, but look at that. Very nice. Yeah. This here's been sitting out now for about maybe 5 minutes. I didn't want to burn myself because it was extremely hot when I brought it out. So let's give this a little cut and see what nice goodie we have inside. This is going to be good. Ooh, a little bit of a crunch right there. That's nice. And look at this. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, oh, that is nice. Come on now, you got to admit, this is a fun little device. Oh, love it. Got to go in for a bite. Oh yeah. That is really good. I'm very impressed. And it was so simple and fast to make. I'm really enjoying this little CRIMPiT. So you saw how fast it was to make one of these. You can make half a dozen of these in a couple of minutes and you're done. What's great about these, you can make these beforehand and then you can just put them into a container and pop them in the freezer. I am going in for another bite. This is really, really fun. And what I really like is that contrast of texture. You get that little bit of a crunch on the outside and then inside all of that nice filling. Yum, so good. Yeah, I am really impressed with this little CRIMPiT. I thought I would do another one for this video. So this here is the CRIMPiT sandwich sealer right here. So you've got two ways that you can do this. So this here comes in two different pieces. You need 2 pieces of bread. And then what you can do is you can either take this right now and you can cut out your bread like that. So you'd cut out both pieces and then you would put it into the machine. Or what you can do is you can just place your first piece like that, load in your fillings, the second piece on top, and then crimp it down. So I think I'm going to go with the first option here. So I'm going to grab the bottom, I'm just going to center that, and let's just cut it out. Okay, we'll flip it over and just break it around the side here. Just like that. I guess you could do both of them. Might as well. This is the first time that I'm using this. Once you start using this a few times, you're going to get very, very fast at doing all this. I guess another way to do it, or a more efficient way, is just to go around like this and just take away that outer crust, just like that. That's a great way as well. I think I like that way better. And you flip it over, and now we are ready to go. I do love pizza. I'm going to get some pizza sauce in there, and remember, you don't want to go all the way to the edge, because that is where you're going to be making your crimp. So I think that's pretty good. And then a little bit of mozzarella cheese, and then whatever toppings. There are so many things that you can put into something like this. I mean, it's anything you want. You could even do peanut butter and jelly sandwiches like this and then toast them up. Oh, sounds good, doesn't it? That's good. And then I think I'm going to go with the water again, just a little bit. So I'll grab the water and just dip all the way around. And don't worry about it. Your air fryer or your oven will dry up any of this water. You're just adding a little bit just to basically act as a glue. I'm only going to do it on one side. I think that's good. And we're going to get our top on. You just want to make sure that that is centered. Let's move our water out of the way. And then grab our CRIMPiT. Get it right in the middle. And now give it a squeeze. So get it in there. A nice squeeze. I think that's good. And then let's remove it like that. Ooh, that is a really good crimp. The edges on here are so pronounced. That is why you're getting such a good crimp. That is really amazing. I'm really impressed. That's nice. And then the instructions say you can just tap it out. So let's see. It's coming. There we go. Look at this. Ooh, I am impressed. And look at that. get my little plate. Get this on my plate. So now I'm going to go do the same thing. I'm going to pop this in my air fryer and then I'll be back. So here we go, right out of the air fryer. And this here did not take a long time. I had it on air fry mode about 2.5 minutes. You can hear how nice and crispy that is. Ooh, I'm just checking that and make sure it's not too hot. I'll bring it over to our cutting board and we'll get into this. And this is really fun because it took regular, boring sandwich bread and turned it into this. So let's just cut into it. Oh, you hear that little crunch? Nice. Let's check out inside. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, nice. Pizza. Oh, that is so good. You saw how easy it was to make with this little machine. That is amazing. If you have children, you are going to have too much fun making little things like this. Any type of filling, you can see how easy and how fast it was to make that. I'll be doing more fun videos in the future with the CRIMPiT. I really love this little product. This is amazing. There we have it. I'll put all three of them here again. Look at that. Just too much fun. I mean, look at that. What we made. Really nice. And it's so good. It's pretty impressive just taking regular boring old white bread and turning it into that. So yummy. So that's it for this really fun video. I had a really fun time trying CRIMPiT out. Awesome product. If you want more information, I'm going to put it down underneath the video in the description box. It'll be clickable so you can go right to their website and also their Instagram page. And I'll also put all of that information in the comment section as well. So a couple of clicks and you'll be on your way to check out this amazing product. So that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching and I'll catch you on the next one. And I am going in for another bite. That is just too fun. Yum. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.